Welcome back. My name's Bryan Roschetzky. Thanks for tuning in. We got the family out to Giga Texas for Sunday Fun Day, so let's hit the road real quick because the family needs instant gratification and they can't wait. So thanks again for watching. Early thumbs up really helps that YouTube algorithm. Enjoy. How many times in one's lifetime do you think an opportunity like Tesla comes along? I know I've been waiting my whole damn life for a company like Tesla to come along and finally disrupt this fossil fuel industry, finally put a glimmer of hope and a chance simply to drive a badass electric vehicle. Tesla has really changed the game and come a long way. And that's the American dream, right? The innovation to push forward, the freedom to innovate and make something new. There's no stopping it now. The machine that builds the machine has been unleashed, and you're not putting this genie back in the bottle. So it's good to see these street lights have been completed. Won't be long now before I'll be able to park back at my favorite location so I can get an even better up-close view and a better vantage point to get better drone shots and closer footage here at Giga Texas. And so what I still want to know is what do you guys think is going to be utilized with all this extra space? Look how much extra space is surrounding Giga Texas. What do you think this is going to be used for? We got possible test tracks, possible parking areas. Do you think we'll have another possible GigaFactory location here on this extra land? Let me know down in the comments what you think some of this extra land could be used for. You know, this song is almost nostalgic for me because I think back at all the times at Giga Texas doing these drone flights almost a year ago now, and the factory was basically just a couple of metal poles sticking out of the ground and some foundations and still clearing trees and the entire thing has been transformed into this amazing futuristic battery factory that's going to be pumping out the exact machines that's going to be changing the world. And it's just amazing to see. It's really amazing to see. And I'm not a financial advisor, but I know one thing: I'm going to be buying more Tesla stock. Take this time to give a special thanks to all Americans out there on this amazing Labor Day weekend. And I want to give a special shout out to all of my Patreons as well for all of their great support. I really couldn't have done it without them. So thanks again to Adam Block, Bob Callahan, Butch McIntosh, David and Sarah Delgado, Rick Thor, Leela Elliott, Tyler Schaefer, Russell Dixon, David Wheeler, Leah, Clayton Handelman, Son Electric, Devin Hunter. Special thanks to Devin Hunter, Evie Bike Dude, and also Bruce Smith. Special thanks to Bruce Smith as well for that special super chat earlier. Thank you, Bruce Smith, for helping out the channel. For everyone else out there, for all your support, any of your super chats, your likes, your comments, all of you that subscribed, hit the bell notification, any support on Patreon, any tip or donation on my PayPal link. Everyone, thank you very much for your help and your support, for keeping this channel growing, and I can't wait to get that Cybertruck and keep the adventures coming. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time at Giga Texas.
Dude, put that there. All right, we'll get that later. Look at that chart, and look at that line. Come on, Elon Musk, we're gonna need a little bit more superchargers here in Austin, okay? Just a few more.
Oh yeah, one last thing. I sell a ton of canvas art. Come check this out. If you're ever in Austin, come check out Cafe Java. Great local business. Support them. Support a local artist like me. Buy some artwork. Peace.